Hey guys, today I'm in this tutorial. I'm gonna talk about a very good website that I found that they sell stuff, and it's a search engine as well. Yeah, and when I said sell stuff, I'm not just saying they sell stuff. They sell stuff on with a very good price. Yes, that's you guys can afford it. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through how to find this site and a lot more. Okay, go to Google and write Eagle Search. That's EAGLESEARCHEEBly. Hit enter. Okay, it's gonna be the first page, the first side actually on the top. So you hit that. Okay, this is how it looks. You can see the logo. That's how the site looks. You can scroll down. You can read this. So hello guys, welcome to my site. I know that you guys are going to love the prices that I have. This site gave everyone the opportunity to get stuff that they need, and we gave you the best prices ever. You hear that? Yeah. So you can read if you want, but I already did. So I'm just gonna go over here and do it the short way. And I said, okay, I like games a lot, so I'm just gonna write right over this side here. I'm gonna write FIFA, FIFA. You're gonna write, I said PSP, because I have a PSP. I'm gonna hit enter. Actually, just press go right here. Okay, can you see that? They're giving a bunch of them right here. Okay, I would like this one. Anyone that you want, you can actually take. Okay, but I'm gonna go for the top one, and it's gonna navigate me right to the exact page. Yeah, to make the purchase. So I get the details. Yeah, you can look at everything right here, details and everything. Yeah, you see that? Actually I'm gonna add this one to my cart. Yeah, because I'm gonna need this one right now. So I'm gonna add that to my cart. Yeah, and I'm gonna navigate back to the website. So I'm gonna purchase that when I'm through with this tutorial. Okay, this site you can actually do a lot of stuff. It's a search engine, as you can see. Yeah, it's an associates. Yeah, I just show you to make the purchase in the short way instead of coming to this page. Okay, yes, so actually it's the same thing. It's the same thing as what I'm just been showing you, but you can give it a try. You can either go to all this page, camera page, or said you can search, categorize what you want and type what you want and hit search, and yeah, you will get your result. And yeah, it's a nice price. As you can see, it's very good prices that these stores have. So good luck guys, and I hope you enjoy buy your stuff. So don't be late, just buy your stuff now before everything change on this site and you can't get it anymore. So that's basically it that I want to talk to you about. So see you next time.